Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to prepare two salads. One of the salads is very simple and quick, and I'm going to use beetroot, which I already cut it, and Gloucester cheese. I bought a Gloucester cheese with chive and onion, but it's optional. And we have got a handful of mint, lime, and I'm going to use zest, the whole lime, and half a lime for a juice, and salt and pepper to your taste, and 2 teaspoons red onion. I finely diced it. I'm just going to use a big plate for it, and we are going to plate it. If you can buy a smoked beetroot, it would be better, but if you can't, you can just put them in the oven for 20 minutes and you're having a smoked beetroot. I'm going to add my cheese also. Add a little bit of your onion. You don't need lots of salt because you're using cheese, but for a little, just pinch of salt and pinch of pepper. And for the mint, you can just tear the leaves. This is my version of cooked beetroot with Gloucester cheddar and red onion, garnished with lime zest and mint. So this was our first salad, and we are going to start preparing the second salad. Let's start. So I'm going to make a simple ribbon salad. I have chosen parsnip, butternut squash, carrot, and courgette, and I just simply ribbon them with the peeler. And for dressing, I'm going to use mixed seeds, which I have got Fennel Seeds, Nigella Seeds, Cumin, and Corriandor powder, plus salt and pepper, lime, and half a teaspoon of English mustard. Plus, I'm going to make a simple sauce, which I will show you how to make it later. So we are going to make this ribbon simply like this. Did you see? I just toss our mixed seeds on a low heat because it's helped to take out of the aroma from it and is helpful making better sauce. So I simply done that, and then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons oil and half a teaspoon garlic powder. If you would like to use fresh garlic, up to you. And I'm going to use a tablespoon pomegranate molasses, half a teaspoon mustard, pinch of pepper, generous amount of salt, and your lime zest. And half a lime. This is ribbon salad with mixed seeds dressings, garnished with fresh mint. And this is our fresh salad. Hope you enjoyed these 2 simple salads and try it. Thank you for watching. Keep safe till next.